Hi, y'all. Knife Detector here, coming to you from the great state of Texas. And I want to wish all my friends a wonderful weekend. It's about to start. And I hope all you guys are having wonderful times and opportunity to spend time with your family. So, if you're new to my videos, I like to make videos of knives that you don't see every day, knives that are a little bit rare, and perhaps knives that are a little bit unique. So, here's one that I came across in a flea market in Brownsville, Texas. It's the biggest flea market they have there in Brownsville. And I was walking by the outer parts of the flea market because I like to do that first. I don't like to go into the covered places that have a lot of shade because everybody goes there, right? But the best deals are found out in the outside where people want to get rid of their wares because they don't want to be out there in the hot sun. And they have a lot of new stuff. Those are the ones that don't sell every day, but they're the vendors that have a lot of things to sell and they want to get rid of them. So went over there, came across this beautiful knife right here, guys. Beautiful knife. This is a Cattaraugus. It is a Cattaraugus 3-blade pocket knife. And when I saw this knife, I wanted it, but kind of like the reason I wanted it, I haven't shown you yet, but I'm about to. And the gentleman wanted $15. When I saw this knife, I see quality. I see the bone handle. I see somebody took a lot of care in this knife, in the way they carried it. The blades don't have hardly any wear at all. And this knife to me looks like it's from the 40s. It's got brass bolsters. Brass liners, nickel bolsters. It's got that beautiful badge right there that I like a lot. And but there's something else about this knife that tells me that the previous owner really gave this knife a lot of love. And in some of my other videos, I've shown you how some previous knife owners have repaired their knives. And I believe that if you have something and you want to breathe a little bit of extra life into it and you want to cherish it, and you want it to last longer, then don't throw it away. Repair it. Don't sell it in a yard sale. Repair it. And that's what this guy did, right? Let me show you what this person did. This knife was repaired. Obviously, there was a break in the bone right there. But it wasn't enough for this person to use some normal type of filler. This person did an excellent job. And this, to me, appears to be Silver Soldier. But, gosh, this does look a lot like coin silver to me, too. So I did a silver test on it. And it came out, it turned grayish to black, which sometimes is the result you get with an acid test with coin silver, or it could just be other metals that I don't know about. It might just be Silver Soldier. But in any case, this person did an excellent job with that repair. This person cared so much about this knife. They did that repair, and you can tell they carried it a lot after that. Now, at the time, I didn't know what kind of knife this was, so I told the guy, look, it's been repaired. He's like, yes, the guy told me, and he knows. He told me, but a person cared so much about this knife that they repaired it. And I couldn't argue his point there, but I talked him down from $15 to $12 for this beauty right here. And I think I got a great deal. I've been carrying this knife a lot. Check out that blade. In there, I can faintly make out the letters of Cattaraugus Cutlery. Snap open. Get that bevel there. It's a good looking knife, guys. Great blade for cutting rope or whittling. Beautiful knife. It's got two smaller blades. Little pin blade there. A little bit of wear, not too bad. Snaps open also. This little guy also. Very little wear on that one. Snap closed. Snap closed. Snap closed. For this knife, being from my guess is the 40s, excellent shape for this knife. Now, I looked on eBay and I found something similar, pretty much exactly the same, except the shape of the main blade is a little different. And they were selling it for $725 for best offer. That to me is just crazy. But this knife is a beauty. and I plan on keeping this for quite some time. And I love the repair that they did. That to me is just that just means that this person cared a great deal about this knife, and that this knife deserves respect, because the person who took care of it meant to have it for a lifetime. And when I hold this bad boy, I think of a gentleman or a lady that carried that for a great number of years. And this knife might even outlive me. And who knows, someone will have it after I get done with it, and they will cherish it also for a great number of years. So don't throw in the trash, guys. Fix it and make it last longer. Some knives are worth fixing, and this is one of those knives. So I put in some pictures towards the end of this video. Believe it or not, in some of my previous videos, I have gotten complaints that my intros are kind of long. And I went ahead and I've been doing videos where I show pictures in the back instead of the front, just to kind of alleviate some of those concerns from some of my viewers. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe, and check out my other videos, because I have so many different videos. I got about 200 videos on so many different types of knives. Hunting knives, Swiss Army knives, fixed blade knives, folding knives, all kinds of knives, guys, that you guys may like. Maybe you're thinking of buying a pocket knife. You don't know what to get. You may want to check out my videos. Give you a little bit of insight. All right. This is a Knife Detector signing off, saying God bless you and your family. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe and share. Take care.